Welcome back to another Go programming video. We have already written the Hello World program in Go, but real software uses other people's code. In Node, we have the package.json. In Python, we have the requirements.txt. In Go, we have something smarter. Let's start fresh. If I try to write code here without initializing a project, Go won't know where to store dependencies. We need to create a module. As you have seen in the last video, we have used a command called go.mod init. We will do the same thing over here. This is the magic command, go.mod init. But why am I typing a GitHub URL here? I haven't even pushed this code to GitHub yet. This is unique to Go. Your module name is its address. If I ever publish this library, other people can download it by typing this exact URL. It creates a global namespace. Okay, let's hit enter. This creates the go.mod file like we saw in our previous video. Right now, it's boring. It just has our name and the Go version. Let's spice it up. Let me create a main.go file in our project. In this example, I want to print colored text in the terminal. I will use an external module for that. But before that, let's start by writing our main.go file. We'll use an external module called color. Do you see the red squiggly lines? This is Go program telling us that I don't have this code yet. Unlike other languages, we don't manually edit the config file. Let's fix this by running the command go.mod tidy. As you can see, Go is actually installing this external module. See these two files? These two files got updated. The first one, go.mod file, now has this extra content. This is the information that the external library has added into our project. The go.mod tidy command actually went to the internet, found the URL of our external module, downloaded the code. A new file got go.sum added in our project. While beginners may think that this is similar to the package log file that we have in Node projects, it is not. It is actually a checksum database. Here is the philosophy. Imagine I download a library today. Tomorrow, a hacker changes that repo to steal passwords. Go.sum records the mathematical hash of the code you downloaded today. If the code on GitHub changes even by 1 byte, Go will refuse to build. It's a security guard. Now that our modules are safe and tidy, let's run it. Success. We have the red colored text in the terminal. One last secret. Where did Go put those files? Not in a Node modules folder. It stores them in a central cache on your computer. All your projects share the same copy. It saves disk space. Pure efficiency. This is the location where all the module files are stored centrally in your computer. We have our workspace. We have our dependencies. Next up, we break down the weirdest part of the Go syntax, variables and types. See you in the next video.